Ever wondered how you can manage all your marketing needs from one platform? Welcome to the future of marketing with AI Wizard, the world's first and only all-in-one AI app suite. Imagine having a tool that replaces 18 complicated and expensive marketing apps with one easy-to-use platform. A platform that allows you to create mind-blowing websites and landing pages from just a keyword or URL in under 60 seconds. Think about the ability to transform any idea into audience-friendly images that captivate and engage. Picture yourself crafting stunning marketing content that drives action and generates results. And the best part? You can manage everything from one central dashboard, eliminating third-party dependencies. The future is here, and it's AI Wizard. With this revolutionary platform, you're not just getting a tool, you're getting a business. With AI Wizard, you can start your own profitable marketing agency in just 3 clicks. Imagine having an AI that can convert any idea into audience-friendly images that get 10 times the engagement. Welcome to the world of AI Wizard, the cutting-edge application that is revolutionizing the way we do marketing. With just 3 clicks, AI Wizard can create 100% original marketing content tailored for any offer in any niche. It's as simple as that. But the wonders of AI Wizard don't stop there. With just one keyword, it can create Ultra 4K HD videos that not only attract random visitors, but also convert them into happy customers. And the best part? You can bid adieu to those expensive and recurring marketing platforms that drain your budget. AI Wizard is all about convenience, cost-effectiveness, and creativity, all managed from one central dashboard. And to top it all, AI Wizard provides round-the-clock expert assistance and comes with an ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. Now that's a deal you can't resist. AI Wizard works like a breeze in 3 easy steps. Picture this. You're on the hunt for a game-changing tool to elevate your marketing game, and guess what? You found it. The first step is as simple as grabbing your copy of AI Wizard. It's like picking up the keys to your brand new digital empire. Next, you activate it. It's like flipping the switch on a powerful machine, revving to life, ready to revolutionize your marketing game. And once you've fired it up, you're ready for step 3, the fun part, using and enjoying it. This is where you'll experience firsthand the mind-blowing features of AI Wizard, but wait, there's more. With your copy of AI Wizard, you'll also get premium bonuses worth a whopping $14,878. It's like a cherry on top of an already irresistible sundae. To watch AI Wizard in action, visit the link in the description below.